Hello, hi, welcome viewers. Welcome to MRK Techno. In today's video, I'm just going to show how to make a small box speaker which is of size just 1 inch in height and just about 4 inch in length and 1 inch in width. And this such a small box speaker, you can use it to a computer which doesn't have a speaker or a mic. This box speaker set, I made it with the small speakers which are used for mobiles. Generally, if you take a mobile will have two speakers. One is ear speaker and one is loudspeaker. So the loudspeaker is also called a buzzer speaker. So buzzer speaker or ringtone speaker, you can get it from any mobile hardware shops. I got two speakers just for a rupees of 80, and I have used them along with an amplifier, PAM8403 amplifier, to make such a small kind of speaker system. And the mic I used, which I demonstrated in my previous video, you can refer the link in the bottom of this video for making a mic. So look, viewers, let us move forward to have the demonstration of making this speaker box video, a small speaker box. Viewers, please do subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Thank you. Before going into the illustration of making a small box video, I want to explain the basic circuit, how I made the circuit and what are the components you require for making this box speaker. So let us go through the circuit. It takes a few minutes to understand. It's a basic circuit, not much knowledge is required to understand this one. Small components, very few components. For PAM8403. So this amplifier is a small piece of amplifier of inch length and 1 inch in height. A small speaker amplifier, a small amplifier. This is PAM8403 is a small amplifier, and you need a 1000 microfarad capacitor and two 220 ohms 320 ohms resistors and two stereo jacks. So this speaker system and two box speakers, or you can go for mobile loudspeakers. Generally, this PAM8403 supports up to 6 watts of output. So it is up to you what kind of speakers you have to use. So you can go for 3 watts plus 3 watts. So maximum recommended is 10 watts. Up to 10 watts you can go. You cannot use beyond 10 watts. So 5 watts plus 5 watts you can go. 3 watts plus 3 watts is the best recommended configuration. Less than that also you can go. But if you use a small speaker system, vibrations which are excess and which the sound will go distorted. A distorted kind of sound you can hear if you are using small wattage speakers. And more than 10 watts if you use, sometimes speakers may not function. So we'll see the circuit, how does it looks like. The basic connections. So if you take PAM8403 amplifier, it looks like this. So one side it has the connections of stereo input. So this is stereo input here. So right, left and ground. And here you have 5 volts plus ground 5 volts. So it works with 5 volts. It needs the 5 volt supply. So this 5 volts you supply, you can give it from USB power of computer. Then other side it has left and right. So left and right speakers outputs, you can get it here. So how to use this connection? So sometimes you can use it directly, it works better, but sometimes where you do not have proper circuit and proper earthing facility, you need to give small modification for this circuit. So here what modification you require additionally is here. So after getting 5 volts supply from USB, so if you take USB, so USB will be like this. So if you take a USB pin, so here you have 3 pins like this. Generally the last and ground supply, 5 volt supply, the last 4. The line properly which is plus and which is ground using a multimeter. So connect here. While connecting, you give the 10, while giving the connection here you can use 1000 microfarad capacitor. So identify the negative and positive terminal of the capacitor and connect according to it. So negative terminal you have to give it to the ground terminal here. Okay, and stereo input, so the common left, right and common ground you can give it here. And while giving the input, sometimes if you don't use the resistors, it will give buzz or humming sound. So here what I recommend is generally, so you take the 320 ohms resistors and connect like this. So 320 ohms resistors you connect it here, and capacitor of 1000 microfarad you connect it here, and directly you can take the output here. So you can use 3 watts plus 3 watts is the best recommended, or else the mobile loudspeakers will be of 0.5 watts to 1 watt. It depends upon the mobile. So latest mobiles are having 1 watt speakers, so you can use 1 watt and 1 watt, but you cannot go for bigger and louder sounds. So normal range, mid ranges you can hear very clearly. And if you go for 3 watts, there are a lot of speakers which are of 2-inch diameter size, are available in Flipkart and Amazon. You can happily use them, you will get best sounds if you use them. 3 watts, 2-inch dia speakers are available in Flipkart and Amazon. If you use them, the best sound you can get it, but they cost around 200 rupees. Pair of speakers will cost minimum 200 rupees, and the best one will cost around 500 rupees. So here I am telling you to minimize the expenditure. The entire setup I made it in just 200 rupees, less than 200 rupees. So I bought speakers for 40 rupees and 40 rupees, 80 rupees, and this PAM 8403 amplifier I got it for around 50 rupees. So 80 rupees per speakers, PAM 8403 around 50 rupees, and the capacitor, this stereo jacks and everything another 50 rupees. So around 200 rupees I made the entire box setup. So let us go into the demonstration how to make this one. This is PAM 8403 amplifier board. You can see it's a very small size. So you can after soldering the power cables, and again you have to solder the capacitor here, 1000 microfarad capacitor for the power cables. So it looks like this. Be careful about positive and ground terminal. And later you have to solder the stereo connections with the resistor. So this is how it looks like along with the resistors, stereo input. Now take a cardboard sheet and cut it with 4-inch length and 1-inch width, and insert the switches, one switch for power and one switch for microphone. Microphone switch can be a press type button switch, and you can also add LED to it with a 1000 ohms resistor, so that LED will be safe. So this red color switch is for power and the press type switch is for microphone. So after that you can solder the power cables, which is 5 volt supply from USB through the switch to the board, amplifier board. And also you can connect the mic as shown in my previous video. So these are the two box speakers which are used for mobiles. I soldered it to the left and right output of PAM 8403 with the two cables, small cables, so that I can put in the box enclosure. So the totally this is the cardboard sheet. You have to provide an enclosure for this. So I kept Fevikwik and I glued everything together. Now I am soldering the USB. This is the stereo jack. I am connecting it to the microphone via the button switch, so that whenever you press the switch, at the time only mic will be functioning. And this is the circuit of the microphone connected to the capacitor and resistor, which I have shown in my previous video. And this is the button switch. Black color one is the button switch. This is the stereo jack. through which the stereo input audio input is given. So it is connected directly, and this is the front facing of the cardboard sheet. So you have two switches along with an LED. LED is connected with resistor for the safety. And finally how it looks.